and we can do a bike check. This is the carbon fiber cross-country bike. I set it up so it's a little more trail friendly, so I have a trail fork on it with 130 millimeters of travel, 34 millimeter stanchions. It's the Fox Rhythm, and I have an 1148 rear cassette 9-speed and a 32 tooth chain ring, 175 millimeter cranks, 2.6 tires. It's Mullet, 27.5 in the rear, 29 up front. Has a carbon handlebar, carbon seat tube, which I lower manually. I think I got a 180 rotor up front and a 160 rotor in back. Bike weighs about 25 pounds. Okay, let's do this Olali trail.